Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our single Lone Star arch door. All right guys, we're on the Lone Star door today. So this is relatively new door to us. We make this door in different shapes and different sizes, and also single and double doors. Custom orders, we can do the side lights and anything you want to do to these doors. Now, this is the only door we actually have just started making with the screen out of it comes with the screen no matter what. So you can do it. We can do it without if you want to, but we stock. This is the only door that we actually stock with a screen in our inventory. We love this thing. We've been wanting to do a door with a star on it for a long time, but we had another company, Iron Doors Limited, that used to be in business, that had a door with a star, and for 7-8 years we never wanted to step on anyone's toes, and we never did a door with a star on it. But unfortunately they recently went out of business, so we decided that if they're out of business, we're going to do a door with with the star, because we don't like to step on anyone's toes. Anyways, long story short, here's our door with the star. These are all solid pickets. It's got some knuckles on it. It has a screen. It's a magnetic screen, by the way. I'll show you guys how it comes off later. Doesn't have a kick plate, so the glass goes all the way down. You get a lot of light in and out. 1-inch frame on the single doors, 2 inches on the double doors. This is a 42 by 96 inch door, which measures from outside to outside 42 inches and measures from the top of the peak to the bottom of the threshold as 96, okay? Standard American bore holes in here, and that's pretty much it. Beautiful door. Shows a lot of length for some reason. I think because of all these straight bars. And also this is all 12 gauge steel, and this is all 5/8 thick solid pickets. Let me flip this around, show you guys what the other side looks like. Okay, so we're on the back side of the Lone Star door. Show you guys how the glass opens. You untwist the knobs and flick it over. Glass opens up. This is a frost glass, dual glaze, 5/8 thick tempered glass. Different glass types are definitely available on special order and custom orders. The door is an oil rub bronze. So it starts off as a black door, and we add bronze to it, and then we clear coat it. Let me show you guys how the magnetic screen comes off. So you basically just push on this and the screen comes off, okay? You can store this during winter time if you like, when you don't need it, or okay, if you want it, put the screen back on. And that's how it goes on. The little magnets move sometimes. You just got to put them back on where they belong, because it's going from metal to metal. So when you take it off, it actually, you'll see it. It's super simple. You just take it off and put it back on. But all right, greasable hinges. You can use the little nipple to grease the hinges up, so you don't have to remove the door to grease it up. There's also a copper crush washer inside. That's pretty much it, guys. And also, all of our doors have roller catches. So you can adjust these out. If you want to use an iron handle down here and a deadbolt on top, you can do that, or you can get a one-piece lock, whatever you like to do. But when you get the iron handle, we have blocking plates for these things, so you can block that out, block out the other hole on the frame, and get the iron handle on here. That's pretty much it, and hope you guys liked it. See you guys on the next door. Hey everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our Lone Star showcase today. If you guys have any questions or comments, please use the platform to do that. You can contact us also, 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkiesIrondoors.com. Thank you.